Hello everyone, my name is Ahmed. I'm from China, 15-year-old boy. And I'm very interested in this product because it's very shiny and also the screen is very cool. You can change the volume and other stuff. So I think this one is the best one.
The best one.
Yeah.
All right. Your company is your dad's company?
Yeah, it's my dad's.
All right, right here. And very professional in the keyboards, right?
Yeah, very professional. It's about 20 years.
All right. Good quality.
Yeah, very good quality.
Let's see some other products.
Maybe this mouse can charge by this one. They're shiny.
Nice. And great for the gamers,
Yeah.
right? And it's charged on this.
Yeah, it's like this.
Okay. All right. Let's check out some other cool stuff.
Also, this mouse I think is very cool, but this is having battery. I'll find it.
Yeah, that's okay if it doesn't have the mouse. You can show
This
the
is a
buttons
screen,
here.
but having battery now.
Oh, no problem. And it also lights up with the
Yeah.
lights.
Yeah.
Which one do you think is the most popular?
Most popular one, I also think it's this one because this is the design for the hand, and also my mom used it. And also in my school, there are many this kind of products. And the teacher also used it. So I think this is the most popular one.
Nice. Let's check some of the here. I like this size right here. Compact keyboard.
Yeah, but also no battery because didn't charge it.
No problem. Yeah. What do you show about this?
This one is, it's like you can see it inside, but others cannot. So this one is very different as others.
Nice. All right. Let's go around here. This here also. Morphus. What do you think the Morphus is about?
Yeah, it's very cool brand. Also, that one is from this brand.
All right.
Yeah, very cool this product.
Cool. All right. Keyboard is important because everybody in the world uses a keyboard, no? To interact with the computer. So it's important to have a good keyboard to type, enjoy typing text very fast. That's cool. You can protect it from the dust with a nice cable. All right. This is cool. All right. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, bye.